Hey guys, I hope you're well. You can probably tell by the title, but today's video is top tips and a tutorial for removing your tan. And it's all about helping you get that smooth, clean skin ready for a reapplication of your tan. Or maybe you've just made a mistake with your tanner and you want to start with a clean slate. Hopefully this tutorial is going to help you. It's super quick and super easy with only 3 steps, and if you don't have a bath you can just skip to the 3rd step. So this really will work for everyone. There are so many things that can affect our fake tan. I personally find when I work out that it makes my tan go quite sweaty in the kind of sweaty patches such as my wrist or my ankles, but then there are also things like chlorine. If you have a dip in the pool, for example, chlorine can strip off your tan. And things like serums with retinols or AHAs, BHAs, all of the things that I love to use do strip colour from the face. And actually quite a lot of people don't know that, so maybe you think there's a problem with your tan, but it's actually the other things that you are using. So hopefully you're going to find this quick and easy video very useful, and it should give you the tips you need if you've had a tan mishap, if you want to start clear with a new fresh slate with your tan, or if you just want to remove your tan ready for a nice smooth reapplication. Step 1, rub baby oil onto your skin and leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes before bathing and exfoliating. Baby oil basically breaks down the tanning agent DHA. That's what gives colour to your skin. So it's actually a really good one to use, and it's a little hack that not everyone knows about. You can use this hack all over your body, but for me, I am really focusing on my wrist because this is where it doesn't go too nice when I'm working out, when my watch sits. And then on my chest and neck, I always tend to get quite flaky tan here, and this is why I am being nice and gentle using the baby oil to try and break that down so it comes off easier. For the next steps, I'm using Cocoandeve exfoliating mitt and their Bali buffing sugar. Step 2, warm bath if you have one, otherwise a shower is fine, and the temperature must be warm hot because then it will remove the colour. So you're going to grab your baby oil and you're going to fill up the bath with warm water and baby oil. Just add some extra. You then soak until your fingers look pruny, so around 15 minutes, and the tan can even be rubbed off with your fingers at this stage. I also find that towels do a really good trick as well. Next, using vigorous circular motions with Cocoandeve exfoliating mitt, you're going to shed those dead skin cells and colour off. So on my wrist here, this is where it tends to go really bad, as mentioned, because of my watch and obviously around the hand area. So here I can do those vigorous circular movements. I wish you could smell how good this smells through the screen. It has coconut flour, sugar and shell powder in it, and also virgin coconut oil to soften the skin. It just smells so great. On areas such as the chest and the neck where my skin feels a lot thinner, and obviously I am quite moly, I am a lot more gentle with these areas, but it still has the same effect and the product still comes off really beautifully when I combine it with the baby oil. As you can see, this was it before, and the after is just so much smoother and softer. For step 3, you can hop into your shower and exfoliate to remove any leftover tan. If you don't have a bath, you can go straight to this step. Just add baby oil to your Bali buffing sugar and exfoliate the whole body, just like I am doing here. I always exfoliate a few times on tough dry areas such as knees, elbows and feet, because they're the parts that tend to soak up the extra colour, and in my case my wrist as well. The Bali buffing sugar really is dreamy. It boosts circulation, instantly smooths and renews skin, as you can see, but it also is non-sticky, non-drying and vegan. It's a smell that I love. It's dragon fruit and lychee, so it just smells like going to Bali. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you found these 3 tips very useful.